what I will say of this virus, I think we're in the middle of a massive experiment worldwide. And that
where are
is
the guinea pigs?
maybe the experiment is, will people listen to scientists? In this case, referring to medical professionals.
Medical
in
professionals.
this particular case.
Say Anthony Fauci over at Allergy and Infectious Disease.
For example.
Many scientists are beginning to believe that a vaccine against AIDS may be impossible to make and too dangerous to test.
If you take it and then a year goes by and everybody's fine, then you say, okay, that's good. Now let's give it to 500 people. And then a year goes by and everything's fine. You say, well, then now let's give it to thousands of people. And then you find out that it takes 12 years for all hell to break loose. And then what have you done?